Welcome to Homeopathic Pharmacy Academia. In this session, we are discussing about the animal and mineral sources of homeopathic drugs. So, in animal kingdom or animal sources, medicines are prepared from or drugs are prepared from the whole living animal, whole dried animal, even the parts and secretions of animals. Let us see what are the examples of whole living animal. Apis mellifica or honeybee or hive bee. Next one is Chenopodium glauci, plant lice of Chenopodium. That is a lice which is uh, growing on the plant Chenopodium. Next is Formica rufa, that is a red ant. Medusa, the jellyfish. Asterians rubens, that is starfish. Next whole living animal is spiders. So different spiders are used as homeopathic medicine. The extract from the spiders are used as homeopathic drugs. Let us see what are the examples. Arania diadema, papal cross spider. Arania sinensis, garden spider. Lactodactys mactans, black widow spider. Lactodactys catipo, poison spider. Mygale lacidora, black Cuban spider. Tarantula cubensis, Cuban spider. Tarantula hispanica, black Spanish spider. Pteridion, orange spider. So these are the examples of whole living animals. Now let us see the example for whole dried animal. The first one is Blatta americana, that is the American cockroach. Next is Blatta orientalis, that is Indian cockroach. Next example is Cantharis or Spanish fly. Coccus cacti, coccineal insect, that is an insect which is growing on the coccineal plant, coccus plant. Whole body including skeleton. Spongium, that is a roasted sponge. So that is a seawater sponge. Now the medicines are also prepared from fresh water sponge. Example is Badiaga. Corallium rubrum, that is a red coral. Medicines are also prepared from blood. The example is Limulus, that is a blood of king crab. Medicines are also prepared from juices. Examples, Mephitis, that is a fluid from the anal gland of skunk. And you can see a skunk is a animal which resembles a wild cat, which is having a black and white color and a large bushy tail. Murex purpura, purple fish. Sepia success, that is the dried inky juice of cuttlefish, that is a part used, dried inky juice of cuttlefish. Next is shell, that is Calcarea calcinata. So here the part used is the middle layer of oyster shell, middle layer of oyster shell. First cervical vertebrae, Cadus morua, that is cod fish first cervical vertebrae. Now the thumbnail, medicine prepared from thumbnail. Castor equate, that is rudimentary thumbnail of horse. Hide, that is a skin of animal. Carbo animalis, the skin of animal is burnt and the charcoal is taken and medicine is prepared. So that is carbo animalis. Now the medicine is prepared from extract. Orchitinum, that is the testicular extract of man. Euphorinum, ovarian extract of cow or sheep. Hippomanus, meconium deposit from newborn horse or calf. Muscus, dried secretion of preputal follicles of musk deer. The preputal follicles are the follicles. It is a modified sebaceous follicles which is present in the pubital area of the musk deer. Castoreum, that is the extract from preputal sacs of beaver. Animal brain. Lecithin, it is a phosphorus containing complex organic body. Lecithin is also present in the egg yolk also. Gallbladder. The first example is the Feltari, that is a fresh gallbladder of ox. Now medicine prepared from lungs. Pulmo vulpis, that is a fresh lung of wolf or fox. Digestive fluid. Homerus, the digestive fluid of live lobster. Next is a serum, medicine prepared from serum. Examples are serum angular ichthyotoxin, or it is prepared from the serum of eel fish. Now next one is Oleum jacoris acili. So that is prepared from cod liver oil. Now medicines are also prepared from venoms of snake, which is known as Ophidia group or Ophiotoxins. Examples, Lachesis trigonocephalus, or it is known as Surukuku snake. Naja tripudians, it is prepared from Indian hooded snake. Crotalus horridus, the common name is rattlesnake. Vipera, common viper. Elaps corallinus, the common name is Brazilian coral snake. Bothropis lanceolatus, the common name is yellow viper. Synchris chondrotrix, the common name is copperhead snake. Now the medicines are also prepared from milk and milk product, which is known as lacs. Examples are lac caninum, bitch milk or dog's milk. Lac felinum, that is cat's milk. Lac vaccinum, that is cow's milk. Lac defloratum, that is skimmed cow's milk. Lac vaccini flock, that is a cream of the milk. Lac vaccinum coagulatum, that is curd. Coamis, that is prepared from the fermented milk of ass. Now, the medicines prepared from animal poisons. First example is Heloderma horridus, that is a poison from Gila monster. Now, next one is the medicine prepared from the poison of toad, Buforana. So, these are the important examples in animal sources. Now, let us see the mineral kingdom or mineral source of homeopathic drugs. So, in mineral kingdom, the homeopathic drugs are prepared from elements, both metals and non-metals, then metalloids, both inorganic and organic acids, inorganic and organic compounds, minerals, tar derivatives, and mineral spring. And these substances has to be prepared according to homeopathic pharmacy and proved homeopathically. Now let us see what are the examples under each category. Under metals, the important examples are argentum met, aurum metallicum, cuprum metallicum, ferrum metallicum, platina, plumbum met, stannum metallicum, zincum metallicum. Now the non-metal group of homeopathic drugs are bromium, iodine, selenium, phosphorus, sulfur. So these are the few examples I have selected. Now the medicine prepared from metalloids. Examples are antimonium and arsenic. Now let us see the medicines prepared from acids. The first one is inorganic acid. Acidum boricum, acidum hydrofluoricum, acidum muriaticum, acidum nitricum, acidum phosphoricum, acidum sulfuricum. The chemical name is boric acid, fluoric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, and sulfuric acid. Now let us see the organic acids. Acidum aceticum, that is acetic acid, acidum benzoicum, that is benzoic acid, acidum carbolicum, carbolic acid, acidum formicum, that is formic acid, acidum oxalicum, that is oxalic acid, acidum picricum, that is picric acid. Now let us see what are the compounds which are used as homeopathic drugs. Inorganic compounds. Calcarea fluorata, Calcarea iodata, Calcarea phosphorica, Calcarea sulfurica, Hepar sulfurus, Lapis albus. So these are the few examples, very few examples from inorganic compound sources. Now let us see the organic compounds, medicine prepared from organic compounds. Amyl nitrosum or amyl nitrate, camphora, clonidum, which is also known as nitroglycerin, petroleum, Pix liquida, that is a bituminous liquid obtained from wood of Pinus sylvestris. Next is thiacyminum, that's a chemical extracted from the oil of mustard seed. Then the last one is thiabolum. So these are the organic compounds. Now let us see the minerals and tar derivatives. Anthracocali, that is anthracite called dissolved in boiling caustic potash. Antipyrinum, graphitis, Hecla lava, that is a lava obtained from the Mount Hecla. Kaolin, that is alumina silicatum. Creosotum, a product of beech tar distillation. So these are the homeopathic drugs prepared from minerals and tar derivatives. Now let us see the medicines prepared from mineral springs. Carlsbad. So these are the mineral spring of Sprudel and Mockbrain Springs, Bohemia, Czech Republic. Levico. This is a mineral spring, mainly contain arsenic in South Toro, Italy. Sanicula is a mineral spring of Ottawa, USA. Skookumchuck is a mineral spring in Chuck Lake. Vichy, Grand Guerlain mineral spring at Vichy, France. Westbaden is a spring at Westbaden in Prussia. So, what is the relevance of using these mineral springs as homeopathic drugs? These mineral springs contain a lot of organic and inorganic compounds, and it is said to have some medicinal action. People used to bath in this mineral spring in foreign countries. So that is the relevance of using these mineral springs as homeopathic drugs. But indeed, these mineral springs are potentized and used in homeopathy. So that is about the animal and mineral sources of homeopathic drugs. Thank you all. Thank you.